Here's a look at the 7 best years, chosen for their reliability and positive reviews from owners. Number 7. 2004 Toyota Tacoma. The 2004 marked the final year of the first-generation model, and many truck enthusiasts consider it one of the best Tacomas ever built. By this point, Toyota had spent nearly a decade refining the platform, eliminating most of the early production issues, and creating a pickup with a well-earned reputation for outstanding reliability. One of the biggest reasons the 2004 Tacoma stands out is its dependable V6 engine. With proper maintenance, these engines are known to last well beyond 300,000 miles, making them a favorite among owners looking for a truck they can keep for decades. They deliver a solid balance of power, durability, and everyday usability, whether you're commuting, hauling equipment, or heading off the beaten path. Unlike many newer pickups packed with complex electronics, the 2004 Tacoma keeps things simple. Its straightforward mechanical design means there are fewer components that can fail, making repairs easier and often less expensive. That simplicity has become one of the truck's greatest strengths, especially for owners who prefer to perform their own maintenance. The Tacoma's rugged construction also makes it an excellent choice for off-road adventures. Its tough chassis, dependable four-wheel drive system, and predictable handling give drivers the confidence to tackle rough trails, muddy roads, and rocky terrain without hesitation. Even after years of hard use, many examples continue to perform exceptionally well. Owners consistently praise the 2004 Tacoma for its rock-solid reliability, durable frame, and low ownership costs. It's the kind of truck that starts every morning, handles years of abuse, and keeps going with little more than routine maintenance. For anyone shopping for a dependable used pickup, the 2004 Tacoma remains one of the smartest choices ever built, proving that sometimes a simple, well-engineered truck is all you really need. Number 6. 2008 Toyota Tacoma. The 2008 Tacoma is widely considered one of the strongest model years of the second generation, earning a reputation for its durability, versatility, and long-term dependability. Whether it was used as a daily driver, a work truck, or a weekend off-road machine, the 2008 Tacoma proved it could handle just about anything owners threw at it. One of the biggest advantages of this model year was the wide range of configurations available. Buyers could choose from regular access cab or the highly popular double cab, which added extra passenger space and made the Tacoma much more practical for families or anyone who regularly traveled with friends. Combined with multiple bed lengths and drivetrain options, there was a Tacoma to suit almost every lifestyle. Under the hood, Toyota offered reliable engine choices that became known for their impressive longevity. Both the 4-cylinder and V6 engines earned a solid reputation for delivering dependable performance year after year, with many examples easily surpassing 200,000 miles when properly maintained. Their combination of reliability, respectable power, and reasonable fuel economy made the 2008 Tacoma one of the most trusted mid-size pickups on the market. The truck's rugged construction also made it a favorite among off-road enthusiasts. With its strong chassis, available four-wheel drive system, and excellent ground clearance, the 2008 Tacoma was more than capable of tackling dirt trails, rocky terrain, and challenging weather conditions while remaining comfortable enough for everyday driving. Perhaps most importantly, the 2008 model year avoided many of the major problems that affected some other Tacomas. Owners reported relatively few serious mechanical issues, helping this truck earn a reputation as one of the most reliable and trouble-free models in the entire second-generation lineup. Even today, it's highly sought after on the used market, proving that a well-built Tacoma can deliver years of dependable service and remain a smart investment long after it leaves the showroom. Number 5. The 2010 Toyota Tacoma. The 2010 Tacoma is one of the most dependable mid-size pickups Toyota has ever built, and it's easy to see why it remains so popular today. Combining rugged durability with everyday practicality, this model year earned high owner satisfaction and avoided many of the expensive problems that affected some later Tacomas, making it one of the safest bets on the used truck market. One of the biggest highlights of the 2010 Tacoma is its available 4.0-liter V6 engine. Known for its reliability and long service life, this power plant delivers plenty of horsepower for towing, hauling, and highway driving, while still offering respectable fuel economy for a truck in its class. With routine maintenance, many owners have reported these engines running well past 250,000 miles without major mechanical issues. The Tacoma's rugged construction also makes it incredibly versatile. It's just as comfortable handling daily commutes as it is tackling rough trails, muddy backroads, or weekend camping trips. Its strong suspension, durable chassis, and available four-wheel drive system give drivers the confidence to venture off the pavement without sacrificing comfort during everyday driving. Another reason the 2010 Tacoma stands out is its excellent reputation for reliability. Unlike some later model years that developed costly mechanical problems, the 2010 model has relatively few widespread complaints. Owners consistently praise it for its low maintenance costs, dependable performance, and ability to withstand years of heavy use without losing its reliability. Safety was another area where the 2010 Tacoma performed well, earning solid crash test ratings and offering features that gave drivers and passengers added peace of mind. That combination of durability, dependable performance, and safety made it an appealing choice not only for outdoor enthusiasts and contractors, but also for families looking for a truck they could rely on every day. More than 15 years after it first hit the road, the 2010 Toyota Tacoma continues to be one of the most respected model years in the lineup. Its proven V6 engine, tough construction, and outstanding long-term reliability have helped it become a favorite among used truck buyers, proving that it's built to last for hundreds of thousands of miles. Number 4. 2011 Toyota Tacoma. The 2011 is another standout model year, earning a reputation for its excellent balance of performance, reliability, and everyday practicality. It's one of those trucks that simply gets the job done, whether you're commuting to work, hauling equipment, or heading out for a weekend adventure. Thanks to its proven track record, it's become one of the most desirable used Tacomas on the market. One of the biggest reasons buyers continue to seek out the 2011 model is its outstanding reliability. Compared to several later model years, it has relatively few widespread mechanical complaints, allowing owners to enjoy years of dependable service without worrying about expensive repairs. That strong reputation has helped it remain a favorite among used truck shoppers looking for a pickup they can count on for the long haul. Under the hood, the Tacoma offered a choice of durable engines, including the highly respected 4.0-liter V6. Paired with a smooth shifting transmission, it provides plenty of power for towing, hauling, and highway driving while maintaining the reliability Toyota is known for. Whether you're driving through city traffic or cruising down back roads, the 2011 Tacoma delivers a comfortable and confident driving experience. Toyota also made safety a bigger priority with this generation, and the 2011 Tacoma benefits from features such as vehicle stability control and anti-lock brakes, giving drivers better control in slippery conditions and during emergency maneuvers. Those improvements added an extra layer of confidence without taking away from the truck's rugged character. Off the pavement, the 2011 Tacoma continues to shine. Its durable suspension, available four-wheel drive system, and strong chassis make it more than capable of handling dirt trails, gravel roads, and moderate off-road adventures. At the same time, it remains refined enough to serve as a comfortable daily driver, making it a great all-around pickup. For anyone shopping for a dependable used mid-size truck, the 2011 Toyota Tacoma is one of the smartest choices available. Its combination of proven reliability, solid performance, improved safety features, and low ownership costs has helped it earn a lasting reputation as one of the best Tacoma model years ever built. Number 3. 2013 Toyota Tacoma. The 2013 is widely regarded as one of the best model years of the second generation, thanks to its outstanding reliability, rugged construction, and low number of reported problems. If you're searching for a used mid-size pickup that's built to last, the 2013 Tacoma is one of the safest choices you can make. Its proven durability has helped it earn a loyal following among truck owners who expect their vehicles to handle years of hard work without missing a beat. One of the biggest strengths of the 2013 Tacoma is its sturdy frame and dependable mechanical components. Unlike some other model years that experienced recurring engine or transmission problems, the 2013 model has relatively few widespread complaints. Owners consistently praise it for requiring little more than routine maintenance, making it an affordable truck to own over the long term. Inside, Toyota gave the Tacoma a more modern feel than many earlier versions. The cabin offers comfortable seating, practical storage, and available features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, giving drivers a more enjoyable experience behind the wheel. While it still maintains the rugged simplicity that Tacoma buyers appreciate, these updates make the truck feel noticeably more refined for everyday use. Performance is another area where the 2013 Tacoma shines. Whether equipped with the fuel-efficient 4-cylinder or the powerful 4.0-liter V6, the truck delivers dependable performance for daily commuting, towing, and hauling. The engines are well known for their longevity, with many examples easily reaching 200,000 miles and often much more, with regular maintenance. Of course, no Tacoma would be complete without strong off-road capability, and the 2013 model certainly lives up to that reputation. Its durable suspension, available four-wheel drive system, and excellent ground clearance allow it to tackle rocky trails, muddy roads, and challenging terrain with confidence. At the same time, it remains comfortable enough to serve as a reliable daily driver. For buyers looking for a dependable used truck that combines modern features with Toyota's legendary reliability, the 2013 Tacoma checks all the right boxes. With its low complaint rate, proven durability, comfortable interior, and excellent off-road performance, it's easy to see why so many enthusiasts consider it one of the finest Tacoma model years ever built. Number 2. 2019 Toyota Tacoma. The 2019 represents one of the strongest years of the third-generation lineup, combining Toyota's legendary durability with modern technology, improved driving comfort, and impressive off-road capability. For buyers who want a newer Tacoma without sacrificing the rugged reliability the truck is famous for, the 2019 model is one of the most appealing choices available. One of the biggest upgrades in this generation was the focus on technology and safety. The 2019 Tacoma came equipped with Toyota Safety Sense as standard, adding advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pre-collision detection. These features made the Tacoma much more comfortable and safer for everyday driving, especially during long highway trips or busy commutes. Under the hood, the 2019 Tacoma continued to offer dependable engine options, including the efficient 2.7-liter four-cylinder and the more powerful 3.5-liter V6. The V6 provides strong performance for towing, hauling, and off-road adventures, while both engines are known for their durability and ability to handle high mileage with proper maintenance. Toyota also refined the Tacoma's suspension and chassis, improving its already impressive off-road performance. With available four-wheel drive, excellent ground clearance, and a tough body-on-frame design, the 2019 model remains a capable machine for tackling trails, dirt roads, and challenging terrain. Whether it's used for camping, overlanding, or outdoor adventures, the Tacoma continues to prove why it's one of the most respected off-road trucks on the market. Another reason the 2019 Tacoma stands out is its strong reliability record. Compared to some earlier third-generation models, it has experienced fewer major complaints, giving buyers more confidence when shopping for a used truck. Its combination of modern features, proven engineering, and lower ownership concerns makes it a smart long-term investment. The 2019 Toyota Tacoma delivers the perfect blend of old-school toughness and modern convenience. It keeps the rugged personality that made previous Tacomas famous while adding the technology and comfort today's drivers expect. For anyone looking for a reliable, capable, and future-proof midsize pickup, the 2019 Tacoma remains one of the best options in its class. Number 1. 2021 Toyota Tacoma. The 2021 Toyota Tacoma is one of the best choices for buyers who want a modern pickup while still enjoying the legendary reliability Toyota is known for. As part of the third-generation lineup, the 2021 model combines proven durability with updated technology, improved safety features, and impressive off-road capability, making it a popular option among both daily drivers and outdoor enthusiasts. One of the biggest advantages of the 2021 Tacoma is its combination of modern features and dependable engineering. Toyota continued to refine the Tacoma's powertrain options, offering the efficient 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine and the more powerful 3.5-liter V6. The V6 provides the strength needed for towing, hauling, and off-road adventures, while still delivering respectable fuel economy for a mid-sized truck. Technology also received a major focus in the 2021 model. The Tacoma features an updated infotainment system with a larger touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and improved connectivity, giving drivers a more convenient experience compared to older versions. These upgrades make the Tacoma feel much more modern while keeping the simple and durable character that longtime owners appreciate. Safety is another area where the 2021 Tacoma shines. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, it includes advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking. These systems add extra confidence behind the wheel, whether you're navigating busy city streets or taking long highway trips. For adventure seekers, especially those choosing the TRD Off-Road or TRD Pro trims, the 2021 Tacoma offers impressive trail capability. Features like multi-terrain select and crawl control help drivers maintain traction and control in difficult conditions, allowing the truck to handle rocky trails, mud, sand, and steep climbs with ease. Combined with its body-on-frame construction, high ground clearance, and available four-wheel drive, the Tacoma remains one of the most capable off-road pickups in its class. The 2021 Toyota Tacoma proves that a truck doesn't have to choose between modern technology and old-school toughness. With its reliable engines, advanced safety systems, updated interior, and legendary off-road performance, it delivers everything buyers want from a newer mid-size pickup. For those searching for a dependable truck that can handle daily driving and weekend adventures, the 2021 Tacoma is one of the strongest options available.